Aries, my fire babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. If this page has been a blessing to you, check out my LinkTree. Link is in the bio. I do have some special treats there for you. Your word of the day is self-love. I need you to love yourself. Be your biggest cheerleader. Don't worry about anyone else giving you the compliments that keeps your furnace burning, your engine going. Do not allow anyone to have that much power over you and your progress. Be your biggest cheerleader, because a happy, confident Aries is efficient and life-changing. I attend to my needs by listening to my heart, and my inner essence lets me know what is good for me. I respect my limits. I answer the requests of my body and soul. Thus, I learn to love myself, and you excel to the next level. All you need is you. The world needs you. I need you to be 100%. Love yourself. Love you. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.